It's Brandon here. Time to change the cabin air filter in the 2023 Ford Bronco out there. You can tell when you need to change this when it starts smelling musty in your car, smelling like dirt. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to change it. It's really easy. Here we go, to the Bronco. So first thing you need to do when you get out here, empty out your glove box, which you've already done. Okay, next thing. There's a small damper, as you can see right here. You just need to push that up. It's keyed, you'll see it pops. Push it up and then pull it out. Next step, got two latches right here, one on each side. Look at that, you're done. Glove box open. There's that damper I was talking about. All right, next, we gotta get in here and we're gonna take this door off. There's a little pinch latch there. So you just pinch this clip here, comes right off. There is your cabin air filter. And see, look at all that in there. Open up your new one. This is not a Motorcraft Ford product. This is something we found on Amazon. 4-cord, funny names. All right, so here's your fresh, clean air filter. We're gonna be placing that right in here. Make sure you look at the air filter. There will always be an arrow indicating which way the direction of the airflow needs to be going. Obviously, we want that to point down. This is gonna be on the side of this cabin air filter, but as you can see, you just slide it in. Boom, it's in. Now we're gonna replace that door. Slip it in the slot over here. Pop it over here till it clicks. All right, it's in. Now, raise that glove box back up. Oh, real quick, if that does come off, you can see it's just on some hinges here, plastic hinges. Just clip right in, slide that up, pop it there, put that damper, slides right back into the slot, push down. Place your contents back into the glove box. And you're done. That easy. Don't pay someone else to do it. It's easy, guys. All right, hope that helps. We'll put links in the description below where we got the filters. And until the next time, later.